The Kuki Inpi, the traditional governing body of the Kukis in Manipur, has called for a 12-hour shutdown in Kuki-zo-dominated areas of Manipur. This protest, set for Wednesday from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. is in response to the recent arrest of 2 Kuki-zo village volunteers in the Jiribam district of Manipur. The decision for the shutdown was made during an emergency meeting held on Tuesday. In their statement, the Kuki Inpi stated, "The ugly turn of events is deeply unfortunate and poses a significant security threat for the Kuki-zo people." To that regard, the Kuki Inpi in its emergency meeting had resolved to call a 12 hours total shutdown in all Kuki-zo-dominated regions on Wednesday to protest against the gross injustice meted out to our people. Subsequently, all Kuki-zo regional organizations are urged to strictly abide by this resolve to express solidarity for the common cause of our people, the fight against the unlawful oppression, subjugation and persecution of our people, and our legitimate demand for the Union Territory with legislature for the Kuki-zo people.